Hi guys, so today I'm back at Cadwell Park, but driving's like a little bit different to my Clio. Laser Boy Wonder has very kindly offered me his Atom 3.5 for a bit of a go around Cadwell, so let's see how we get on with this. This is the Ariel Atom 3.5. It has a Honda K20 engine, which is also supercharged, giving you 310 brake horsepower and 169 pound-feet of torque. It also gives you a 0 to 60 time of 2.7 seconds. This one has had a few modifications such as the aero and also carbon fibre on the chassis, but it is an awesome machine, and a huge thank you to Laser Boy Wonder. I'll pop his links down below because he takes this thing out a lot. The one downside is Harry is 6'3" and I am only 5'7", so a bit of padding to help me reach the pedals, but we make do, so let's take to the track. We had a bit of a play with Harry said 4, but the Atom is just phenomenal in a straight line as well as the corners. So they waved goodbye as I was on my way, and please excuse this as we did have the camera up for the GoPro, but the GoPro didn't decide to play ball. But the shot in the bottom left hand corner does look awesome, so enjoy.
So I very terribly forgot to film an outro for Cadwell, but it kind of worked out well because I've ended up at Donington in the Atom again. I've had 2 sessions which were really fun, so I'll pop a quick clip now. A huge thank you to Harry for trusting me with his Atom. 2 amazing days and amazing tracks. It was so much fun. And that car is just one of a kind. It is incredible to drive, very physically tough, but so rewarding at the same time. But yeah, you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!